Urugari uria ukoretwo kuo iguru ria ndereti ya kugura kana kwa kugura mbembe kuuma nje ya bururi riu wahota guthira thutha wa thirikari kuga ndikugura mbembe kuuma nje ya gitaro kia Afrika. Mwaka wa 2017 thirikari ni yagurire mbembe kuuma Mexico, na Uhoro uria wacokire gutumuka ni onjoria magurire mbembe na gucoka kwenderia thirikari na thogora wa iguru.
That we shall go ahead and try and negotiate more and more with the COMESA region. Already we know there is maize in Tanzania, there is maize in Uganda, but the inflows are not enough for consumption. The required amount of maize for milling by our millers.
Ona kuri na ndereti no gukoretwo na mbembe iria ingira guku bururi-ini kuuma Uganda na Tanzania.
It is normal that every year in out we import about 10 million bags of maize. It ranges between 8 million to 12 million, averaged at 10. This surprise comes in, they trickle in throughout the year, and that is how the deficit is able to be met.
Kiria gitumaga mbembe ici cikara ikiingira guku bururi-ini o kahora ni kugitira muingi kumana na thogora wa iguru wa mutu wa mbembe.
When UGA hits 120, that customer suffers. It is the responsibility of the government. It is my responsibility as a leader, as a Kenyan, to ensure that that Kenyan do not suffer if there is no voice representing that farmer, that customer.
Minista Kiunjuri augite rita riri ona murimi ni ekugitirwo na njira ya kugurirwo mbembe.
This year I'm ready. For the first time we have money to pay our farmers all the crop they sell to us after negotiation with the SFR on the how much we are going to buy. Number two, for the first time the stores will be open, and therefore it will be very quick for us to receive the maize from the farmers.
Ndereti ino yukite riri arimi a mbembe bururi-ini matigeti mieri iri tu magethe mbembe, undu uria ukunina kwa ihinda unyihu wa mbembe guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Uhoro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.